Welcome to our channel VD Max Academy. In this video we are going to see the problem in curvature and torsion. In previous video I uploaded the formula for curvature and torsion and definition for curvature and torsion. Please watch those videos in our channel playlist. It will be useful for gaining knowledge in this topic. In this video we see one problem regarding curvature and torsion. Calculate the curvature and torsion of the cubic curve given by r equal to u square u cube. They asked to find the curvature and torsion. The formula for curvature and torsion is curvature k equal to modulus of r dot into modulus of r dot r double dot divided by modulus of r dot cube, and the torsion formula, torsion is denoted by tau, r dot r double dot r triple dot divided by modulus of r dot into r double dot square. This is the formula for curvature and torsion. Now we see the problem. First, given r equal to u square u cube, differentiate this r partially with respect to u. So on differentiating u it becomes 1, and u square it becomes 2u, and u cube it becomes 3u square. It is in the format of x power n, that is n into x power n minus 1. So partially differentiating with respect to u, then again differentiate with respect to u, it becomes 1 is constant, so it becomes 0, 2u becomes 2, and 3u square it becomes 6u. And differentiate again with respect to u, it becomes r triple dot. R triple dot equal to 0 becomes 0, and 2 is the constant, it becomes 0, and 6u it becomes 6. Then we substitute in the these values in curvature and torsion formula. First we find the curvature, that is k equal to modulus of r dot into r double dot divided by modulus of r dot cube. First we find the numerator value, that is determinant of taking unit vector I, j, k, and substituting the values of r dot. R dot value is 1, 2u, 3u square. This is r dot value, and 0 to 6u. This is r double dot value. Then finding the determinant I vector into. On taking I vector we omit those terms and multiply this. 6 2s are 12u square minus 3 2s are 6u square, and minus. This is the formula minus, and on considering j term we omit that part and cross multiply the remaining. 6 into 1 6u, and 0 it becomes 0 into 3u square it becomes 0, plus k vector into 1 2s are 2 minus 0. It becomes 6u square I vector minus 6uj vector plus 2k vector. This is the value of r dot into r double dot. Taking the determinant taking the modulus, it becomes square root of 6 becomes 36 u power 4 minus become plus 6 becomes 36 u square, and 2 becomes 4. And taking the 4 commonly outside, 9 u power 4 plus 9 u square plus 1. Taking 4 outside the square root, it becomes 2 into 9 u power 4 plus 9 u square minus plus 1. This is the value of modulus of r dot into r double dot. Then we want to find the modulus of r dot. We know the value of r dot, and taking the r dot value is 1, 2u, 6, 3u square. We found the value of r dot. Taking the modulus, it becomes 1, 4u square, 9 u power 4. This is the modulus value, and then we substitute these values in curvature formula, that is 2 divided 2 into 9 u power 4 plus 9 u square plus 1 divided by 1 plus 4 u square plus 9 u power 4 whole cube. It becomes 2 into 9 u power 4 plus 9 u square plus 1 divided by 1 plus 4 u square plus 9 u power 4 whole power 3 by 2. This is our curvature value. Next we find the torsion value. Next we find the torsion value. For that we find the determinant value of r dot, r double dot, r triple dot. We substitute the values 1, 2u, 3u square, 0, 2, 6u, 0, 0, 6. This is r dot, this is r double dot, this is r triple dot. Finding the determinant, it becomes 1 into 6 2s are 12 minus 0 minus 2u, 0 minus 0 plus 3u square, it becomes 0 minus 0. 12 minus 0 plus 0, it becomes 12. This is the value of r dot, r double dot, r triple dot. Next we substitute these values in torsion formula. That is tau equal to 12 divided by. This is our value. Then this value we find in curvature. On substituting that value is 2 into 9 u power 4 plus 9 u square plus 1 whole square. It becomes 12 divided by 2 2s are 4. It becomes square root and 2 get cancelled. So it becomes 9 u power 4 9 u square plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 into 2. It get cancelled. 1, it becomes 3. Therefore tau equal to 3 divided by 9 u power 4 plus 9 u square plus 1. This is our torsion. We find the curvature and torsion. Our curvature value is k equal to 2 into 9 u power 4 plus 9 u square plus 1 whole power 1 by 2. The square root can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 4 u square plus 9 u power 4. The square root and 3, it becomes 3 by 2. This is our curvature value and this is our torsion value. Torsion value is tau equal to 3 divided by 9 u power 4 plus 9 u square plus 1. In next video we see another problem regarding curvature and torsion. Thanks for watching video.